Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Superior Labs Alpha Lipoic Acid, Pure Non-GMO Ala 600 mg 120 vegetable caps, 0 synthetic additives, stearates, fillers, to support healthy blood sugar, nerve health, tingling feet, hands, limbs. This product helps with secondary diabetic symptoms like peripheral nephropathy more so than some of the other brands. And, oddly, acupuncture seems to intensify them, although this is an ongoing experiment for me. It was the intense burning that was sort of an overlay on those sensations that was so painful. I've been taking this product for 2 weeks now, and have found a big boost in energy after working a very long day, and commute to work. After a week, he forgot to take these one day, and his RLS was back. Combined with real peppermint oil candy, not the crap from Walmart, it has helped a great deal. Make sure to drink plenty of water, and do not take on an empty stomach. Seem to be a good quality supplement, and does what it is supposed to do. Quality is good, easy to digest, hoping to see the same positive results as others. Have only had the vitamin for a couple of weeks, so too early to tell if it is making a difference. If you buy this product, keep in mind it's a supplement part of a bigger treatment plan, and for that, it is an excellent tool to have in your nerve pain toolbox. The neurologist diagnosed me with peripheral neuropathy, and placed me on gabapentin 300 mg Tuesday with the option to increase on an as-needed basis. Has since come off of 2 of 3 blood sugar medications, and has not had any issues controlling levels. For him, this product helps lower his blood sugar readings by 10 points on average. He tried other OTC brands, but has experienced the best result with Superior Labs Alpha Lipoic Acid. The stack has so many benefits, and the ALA is the core nutrient which helps rebuild cells. MS affects me cognitively, and left leg atrophy, making it difficult to walk, fatigue, and heat sensitivity. Of course, there is no money in doing much research about a supplement that can't be a moneymaker for a drug company. ALA has been shown to reduce brain shrinkage in verified studies. You can look them up online. But it seems like when taking this, the pain is bringing it on, or making it stronger. Do be aware that if you take it late in the day, you might be wide awake, and not get to sleep. By the way, if you are looking at different brands, make sure you buy one made in America. This bottle arrived with the inner safety seal unbroken, but completely detached from the bottle, as though from glue failure. Complained of pain in her feet from diabetes, neuropathy, loss of appetite, and little rest, so end result was no energy. She has now been taking them since May 17, 2019, and says she has no pain. She finally sleeps through the night again, and she has had her appetite back for a couple days now. After taking product for about a week, noticed improvements in skin condition, and less nerve pain to legs and feet. It's an antioxidant with properties that can alleviate the effects of nerve damage, and it is sometimes recommended to counteract loss of taste smell. The research presented suggested twice a day rather than once for 3 months for neuropathy. I've been taking Alpha Lipoic for a long time. A neurologist gave it to me to prevent dementia. Not sure it does, but so far so good. Not sure of the difference, but this product has done a better job at neuropathy relief. It might be a little more expensive than store brands, but more than worth the extra few dollars. The tingling and pain is much less than normal, and lets me get through work most days. This supplement is from Superior Labs, which is a great name for a company that provides truly superior products. It is pure, free of additives like magnesium stearate, and created in a safe environment. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.